Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to show you how to log into your Twitter account. If you are watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll be notified as soon as we post a new video. To log into Twitter, go to your app list and tap on the Twitter application. As soon as it opens, you'll see this kind of screen in your display. To log in, tap on Login at the bottom of the screen. Now on the next page, you can enter your phone number, your email address, or your username. Enter any one of them which you feel comfortable with. After that, you'll need to enter a password for your Twitter account. Simply enter the password correctly. In case you forgot the password, you can reset it by tapping on Forgot Your Password and follow the instructions to reset it. After entering your email, your phone number, or your username and password, tap on the login button at the bottom right, and as you can see that I've signed into my Twitter account. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Thank you for watching.